on PhilHealth? Huwag na kayo magtanong, ha?
Sabi mo mag-join in sa office, do we call them?
I already called them. Nga mo na.
Busy pa.
Busy pa eh. Okay, so PhilHealth under the Universal Healthcare. Ito yung sinasabi sa'yo, if you will look at ito, Alma, yung logo namin, yan yung official. Hindi yung may line, parang may shadow na. Diba?
Okay. I'll try to find that.
Pero
Kasi
that will be
kinapture ko lang
changed
yun eh.
eventually.
Inano lang namin sa
website.
Inugel ko
Yes,
lang siya.
Google, ano yun eh.
Oo, okay.
Actually, nauna nun, DOH eh.
Okay.
Anyway.
Inugel ko lang siya.
Okay, sige po. Let's start. So, everybody is aware, because of the universal healthcare, everybody already is a member. Lahat ng Pilipino member na. Okay? So, automatic membership and everybody can immediately avail of the services. Okay? You can demand that sa any hospital. Kasi Pilipino ka, so meron ka talagang PhilHealth. Okay? And ito yung yung ID namin. Nakuha ko na, di ba I asked you before yata, nakuha yung mga, di ba you want to have an ID? Wala. Sino may ID? Sino wala palang ID? Sino walang ID? Pero walang ID. Can you provide me the list? I just need the complete name and the date of birth. Kung meron na kayong number, kung meron na kayong number, I just need to provide the ID. Okay? Ayan, yan ang ID.
Nawala sa akin.
Parang iba.
Yeah, that's right.
Ganyan din yung sa akin. Yeah, oo, ito. May barcode. Parang may barcode.
May barcode na dapat?
Yes, may barcode
na dapat.
Okay, so you can demand this. This is your privilege. Yes. Okay. So, pag nakuha nyo na yan, lagyan nyo na lang ng picture, tapos ipalaminate nyo na, ha? Okay, para hindi na mawala. Ay, di ba po member? Okay, the reason why na lahat ng Pilipino miyembro, sinasabi namin, but everybody has to be in the system. Okay? So, hindi namin makakapture. Nagdala ako before. Magdadala lang ako. Magdadala na lang ako ng application form. Okay? Actually, downloadable din naman sa website. Okay? Sa website, www.philhealth.gov.ph.
Hindi sila marunong.
Okay? Next. Who are the members of PhilHealth? We have the two categories. We have the direct contributors. Ito yung mga nagbabayad mismo. These are the employees, formal sector, self-earning, OFWs, kasambahays, lifetime members, 21 years old and above with capacity to pay, and Filipinos living abroad, dual citizens, naturalized Filipinos. And the other one is the indirect contributors, wherein the government is the one paying for your premiums. Okay? So ito yung mga indigents, persons with disabilities, seniors, who are not covered under the program, no lifetime members. Ang difference ng lifetime at saka seniors ganito. Lifetime, ito yung mga nagtrabaho. Okay? So, di ba, before tinatanong natin, dapat maka 120 contributions ka bago ka maging PhilHealth member. Kahit na hindi mo ma-reach na 120 contributions, pagdating mo ng 60, you're already an automatic member ng senior. Okay? Okay. And then, solo parents as well.
Yung mga voluntary members, saan sila?
Voluntary is direct contributors. Direct.
Yung mga
Nagbabayad din. Nagbabayad din.
hindi lifetime members. Pag nag-60.
Pag nag-60, automatic na siya talaga. Okay. Kahit na yung
Kahit hindi mo na kompleto yung
Yes.
120.
Yes. Kasi pag hindi ko na kompleto yung 120, babagsak ka as senior citizen. So, bibigyan ka pa rin. Okay. Automatic yun. Okay?
Benefits tayo.
Next. Okay. Listen. Who are the legal dependents? We have the children. Number one is the legal spouse. Ito yung mga kasal ha, kasal. Okay? Kasal. Children below 21 years old. Okay? And the senior parents. Okay? So, yung 20 years old and below, unmarried, unemployed, legitimate or legitimate, legitimated, illegitimate, knowledge, adopted, blah, blah, blah. 21 years old and above, but with disability, covered yun ng primary member, which is the, normally yung lalaki, di ba yung nagtatrabaho. And then, 22 years old if dependent of a solo parent registered under SBO. Na yun. Okay. And then, 60 years old and above, these are the parents of the senior. Okay. What are my PhilHealth benefits? Number one, ito yung PhilHealth Yakap. Yakap is about consultation, doing blood works, and then your gamot. Okay? Yan yung primary care na ng PhilHealth benefit. And then we have the outpatient emergency. Pag na-emergency ka, may benefit ka sa PhilHealth ha. Kasi normally, di ba, naalala nyo, ang PhilHealth, pag ka lang sa pag nag-inpatient ka lang, pag di ba, normally, pag nakakuha ka ng benefit, pag nasa hospital ka, pag wala kang may benefit. Now, covered na rin yan. Even outpatient benefits as well. And then we have the SDG, the Sustainable Development Goals. This is with UN. And then the inpatient benefits and then the Z benefits. The Z benefits are the ones na yung mga cancer, pag-cancer. Okay, PhilHealth Yakap. This is the primary care. Ito yung banner, ito yung centerpiece ng PhilHealth ngayon. Wherein there is consultation with the primary doctor. These are the services: consultation and lab tests. Co-payment, huwag nyo naintindihin yung co-payment. Huwag nyo naintindihin yun. Basta requirement is register under PhilHealth and FPE appointment. FPE means pag nakalista ka sa provider mo, you have to be seen, you have to be consulted by your primary doctor. Okay? Hindi sufficient na malista ka as Yakap Yakap member lang. You have to be seen and you have to be consulted. You have to be consulting a provider, which is a doctor. Okay?
Na-registered sa PhilHealth?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay?
So, public and private po yan, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay.
So, kasi isipin nyo, kung PhilHealth member ka na, bakit magpapa-member ka pa ng Yakap? Diba? Because, we wanted everybody na magkaroon ng magpakonsulta. Okay? Magpakonsulta muna bago natin, kasi what we're doing is we're trying to prevent yung mga mas malalang sakit. Diba? Yung sa HMOs, yung mga may HMOs, diba? That's what we do. We consult with our primary doctors, we do the lab works with them para maiwasan yung mga future na mga mas malalang sakit. So, preventive tayo ngayon. Okay? So, that is the aim and the focus of PhilHealth. Now, in terms of yung mga for blood works, ito yun. Yung CBC, yan yung mga listahan niya. Yung profile, yan. FBS, yan. Kasama yan. Yan ang libre. Okay? Okay. Gamot. Okay. Ang gamot, services niya is drugs and medicines. The payment is fixed, okay? Maximum benefit per year is 20,000 per Filipino. Okay? Per Filipino yan. Makukuha nyo lang ito once there is a prescription from your Yakap provider. Yakap doctor. Okay? Hindi kayo pwede pumunta sa kunyari Mercury or sa Watson's claiming na may prescription kayo na mag-avail kayo. Hindi ganon. It has to be evaluated pa ng konsulta ng Yakap provider. Okay? So, kumbaga, you have to pass through the system. Meaning, mag-register ka under Yakap, titignan ka ng doctor, gagawa ka ng blood works, and then from that process, dun ka bibigyan ng gamot. Okay? So, we have identified 75 medicines. These are generic medicines, ha? And lalaki pa yan, okay? Cancer screening is also covered now by PhilHealth. So cancer screening, case-based for cancer, for screening packages, zero co-payment. For breast cancer, we cover the mammography and the breast ultrasound. For lung cancer, low-dose chest CT scan. Colorectal cancer, colonoscopy after positive FIT and FOBT, and the liver cancer, liver ultrasound and alpha-fetoprotein. Okay, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, na kahit may emergency ka, meron kayong makukuha. Libre na rin yan. Okay? Outpatient emergency care benefits. Okay? So, ito yung mga computation niya for ER consultation, may 260 pesos, or for emergency, yun, tingnan nyo na lang yan.